Hello guys, today we are here in Reebok. As you can see, there's a lovely view of the farm there. We are here at a 2-bedroom with a flatlet and also a study with a double garage and solar panels, solar system, solar geyser. So this property has lots of opportunities. There's a sunroom where you can read, and it has lovely sun, living room, a lovely kitchen. Come and check out this property. It's very well priced.